Greetings and salutations to everyone. Myself Ayush Srivastav alongside 11th B, signing here as your today's host for December headlines. So let's begin. On 2nd of December, LFCS Nizamuddinpura organized a special competition on Shloka chanting. All of us know that Sanskrit is the mother of all Indian languages. To show respect and importance of Sanskrit, we organized Shloka chanting every year. Many students participated in the competition, and in final round, the first, second and third rankers were awarded. We cannot imagine the strength and depth of human mind. The human mind is constructive as well as destructive. When it comes in an order, it innovates something new. To use that innovative strength of children, LFCS Nizamuddinpura tries some scientific activities every year. In the 3rd of this month, we organized a science exhibition. It was a great surprise for us that so many groups of students came with very innovative ideas regarding many modern problems. They projected working models related to water storage, purification of water, air-based models and on solar energy, new safe traffic systems and many more to bite one's tongue. The judges selected the best models and the students were awarded by our respected director sir. Hummingbird Olympiad are a series of competitive exams for school class 1 to 12 grades covering subjects like maths, science, reasoning, English, GK and entrepreneurship. To boost up the logical and reasoning thinking powers, LFCS Nizamuddinpura organized this international competition on 8th, 9th and 10th of December. Hundreds of students were participated in this competition and showed their skill. We, LFCS family, always try to open the mind of a student towards all perspectives of nature. Not only this, but we think of the nutrition of the student's mind. For it, we organize different activities and sessions related to the mind and career options. In the month of December, we organized a career counseling session for class 10th and 12th students. It was held in Sikatia branch. School authority called different experts for career counseling. This time, we invited Dr. Ashutosh Gupta, a renowned career counselor, for this purpose. He showed different career options for the students and motivated too. All students were very much surprised to find so many options for their future. On 11th December, we organized a workshop on teachers' mental health. A teacher, according to Swami Vivekananda, is a greater than a father because a father gives birth but a teacher shows the path of salvation. But present time is the time of stress and struggle. It is quite difficult for a teacher to be happy, so this workshop was organized for molding a happy environment in the class with the support of teachers and students. Exams are stepping stone for a student. We can measure the growth of a student by organizing different types of exams. LFCS Nizamuddinpura started its periodic and first pre-board exams on 12th of December. The students prepared the papers properly and gave the exams. On 22nd of December, we organized Ramanujan's birth anniversary to celebrate in the school campus. Srinivasa Ramanujan, who was an extraordinary Indian mathematician who was with little formal training, made profound contributions to number theory, infinite series and continued fractions, essentially reshaping modern mathematics. To show respect towards him and to grow interest of students in maths, this birthday celebration was held. Principal of school Mrs. Sarita Kedia garlanded the picture of Ramanujan and gave a brief introduction about his contribution for maths. From 20 to 22nd December, it was a great opportunity for our school team of 5 students with mentor Kedia sir went to participate in a national maths convention in Ahmedabad. Never before it we got the chance to participate in this convention. The students, with the guidance of Kedia sir, took part in essay competition, poem composing competition, math quiz and many more, and got different ranks. In poem writing, first rank, in essay competition, second, and in maths quiz, third rank. It was an extraordinary experience for the students of our school. We celebrate all festivals without discrimination. We celebrated Christmas on 24. A fascinating decoration was done at the campus with a beautiful Christmas tree. On the same day, we celebrated birth of respected former PM Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Different cultural programs were there performed by small children. Santa Claus was distributing chocolates and toffees to kids. They were very much happy to find Santa Claus amongst them. On 28th and 29th of this month, we organized PTM. On 28th, we called PTM for class 10th and 12th, and on 29th of other classes. In so chilling weather, around 90% parents turned up. Some of the guardians were very happy to see the report of their wards, but some guardians were not happy. They were given solution by the teachers to come on right track. That's all for today's news. Thank you for turning in. I am Ayush, wishing you a fantastic day ahead and a wonderful break. Take care and see you next time. Thank you.